Hello and welcome. This is the Filippo Loreti Venice collection, and it has a Moonphase function on it. In this video I'm going to show you how to set the time, date and the Moonphase on this watch. So let's get started. In the standard timekeeping mode, when the crown is pushed all the way to the case, the watch is showing the time, showing the date in this format. So you have your month in this value, your day of the month, and also day of the written in English. Also there is a Moonphase over here. The watch itself is operated using the crown and this little button over here. The crown can be pulled out in two positions. So when you pull the crown out to the second position, you set the time. The hands rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Whilst setting the time over here, you will notice that the day of the week, day of the week written in English is also operated when I rotate the watch hands. Now that is the only way you can rotate the day of the week. So you have to go full 24 hours to rotate the day of the week. And you saw it there. Now when I go back to, forward to 4 o'clock, it will make the full rotation to the setting of your day value in English. So we have to rotate the watch for full 24 hours to setting to be done. Next setting is when the crown is pulled to the first click, and that is setting your Moonphase data. As you can see, when I'm rotating it clockwise, I'm setting my Moonphase. You can check your Moonphase position on your phone and on your calendars to see in which position your currently moon is. So you can set your watch to that Moonphase. That is rotation of the crown clockwise. When I rotate it anti-clockwise, you see that I'm changing the day value over here, or the day in the month, which spans for 1 to 31. So now when I rotate it, you will see that I'm changing the day value. And it will also hence rotate the sub-dial at 3 o'clock for your month value. And those are the settings of your watch using this crown. To set your month value over here, I'm going to use this toothpick so I do not damage the watch case or this button over here. But when I push the button, you can see I'm shuffling or changing my month value. The hand is skipping from one month to another, which corresponds to your month value. And that would be it. Those will be the settings of this watch. So using the button over here and this button over here, you can do all of those settings on this Venice watch from the Filippo Loreti watch company. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related stuff, please subscribe. So thank you.